Okay sir, let's suppose this is new light. So once you fix the light, you will find the light like the remote. It's remote, the remote is not working. Okay, it means this is not connected. Okay, the new light when you fix, it will show only one color and remote will show that it's not working. So you have to do what? You see the switch, there is a switch, and how many lights you use, that should be one switch. Now I am using only one light this switch, so you have to use all the lights on one switch, one connection. So you have to turn on and turn off it 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. Then I will push the connection number 1. The connection number 1 I push it, then it will start working and it will be connected. You can see I can change the color. I can make up, I can make down. Now